What do you have there?
I have Tingalo, and it smells really good.
Tingalo, I think.
Yep, Tingalo.
What's it smell like?
It smells like, kind of like yellow jello.
Yellow jello? Oh, man.
Now the Two Harbors.
Oh, Mommy loves that one.
Ooh, it smells like oranges.
Does it?
Ah, won't close.
It's alright. I'll close them. You can just set them down.
Now jumping jelly beans.
Oh.
Smells like sour jelly beans.
Yeah?
Now to Run to Me.
Are you into me?
Smells really good.
Yeah, what's it smell like?
I don't really know.
You don't know? Okay, just smells good?
Yep. Now to lemon coconut
Chiffon?
chiffon.
There you go.
Ooh, it smells like lemons.
Yeah?
Cinnamon on them.
With cinnamon?
Yeah. Then I'll do, what is this?
That is Enliven.
Enliven. Okay. Ooh. It smells like a sea smell.
A sea smell?
Yeah. Now the Awakening. Feels like I'm in the sunset.
Awakening feels like you're in the sunset, huh?
Yeah.
Or the sunrise would probably be better.
Yeah. Now the Zeppelin.
You got it.
Zeppelin.
You like that?
Yeah. Danny, stop it.
Alright,
Messing up the video.
making a video.
Simply strawberry. Smells like strawberries with cream on them.
Oh, that sounds delicious. I think you got them all.
I didn't do, wait, did I do this? That's what I
Yep,
started out
you
with.
started it.
Is this what you give you first time?
Did I do this one?
Yeah, new one. Aloni Sarah? I don't know. Try it again. Find out.
I think I did this or not.
Well, we'll find out.
Smells like strawberries with sugar on them.
Aloni Sarah smells like strawberries?
With.
So which one is your favorite?
I like jumping jelly beans.
Do you?
Yeah.
Alright, can you say hi to all my Scentsy friends?
Hi to all my Scentsy friends.